Hey, this is Matt Gallimore with United Country Blue Ridge Land and Auction, and I got a really nice house that we're going to sell at auction. What we have is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. We're located at 105 Milroy Lane in Mooresville, North Carolina. This is in the Curtis Pond Subdivision. The neighborhood has a swimming pool, and it's got a nice nature trail over there that you can walk. This neighborhood is really nice, folks, so I think you're really going to like it. The house is well built. It's got a 2-car garage, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and we're going to walk back behind the home and show you the backyard. That is really nice, the backyard behind there, and you're going to like this property. So again, you can get all the information at bidbig6.com. That's bidbig6.com. So here's what I wanted to show you with the backyard. You know, they got a large patio back here, got a lot of good landscaping, and then you got the privacy fence, and then you've got a garden shed out back here. So this is a really neat place to come back and chill out, have some, you know, put you a grill back here and you know, enjoy the outdoors. So again, go check it out, bidbig6.com. That's bidbig6.com. You can also call Sharon Roseman. She's a real estate broker and an auctioneer, and her phone number is 828-320-4726. So we're going to have a preview of this property on March 14th at 10 a.m. So you can come look at it then, or you can give Sharon a call and she'll be glad to take you through the home.